We are here to talk all things electric awnings on your Jayco RV. Grant's here, one of our technicians here at Jayco. This is an all-time awesome innovation that we've got from Carefree that's been attached to our Jayco RVs. But what are some of the things we need to check before we even think about extending our electric awnings?
Okay, Blanchy, the biggest thing that I come across with phone calls, customer inquiries, is that our awning won't go out. And the first thing first is they forgot to disconnect it from the car.
Or you're trying to get packed up, ready to go, you hook everything
Car's already up.
And actually, yeah, I need to undo that first. So you can't be touching the car, it's obviously a safety feature.
It locks it out, just in case the awning wants to motor out while you're driving.
And we also probably need to make sure that our batteries are charged as well.
That's right, so you obviously need power for that to happen. And your batteries are flat, that's not gonna happen.
And probably third, and I reckon almost most importantly to check, is your surroundings.
Absolutely, obstructions. So no tree branches in the way, somebody else's camping gear, or you're too close to something that's going to hit the awning on the way out.
All right.
So that will come unstuck pretty quick too.
We have checked all of those things. I'm going to just ask the wife to, please, can you extend that awning, please, Sandra? Oh, like magic.
Look at that.
Okay, so the awning comes out nice and slowly too, so you can make sure that there's no obstructions around.
Yeah, it's always nice to have someone outside and someone inside, because if things do start to go pear-shaped, you can hit the stop button pretty quick to make sure that you don't make it worse than it needs to be.
Now, this is not going to overextend, is it? It's got a mechanism inside of it.
Yeah, it's got limit switches in it, so it'll roll out and it'll go over center and then it'll come back and stop wherever the limits have been stopped at.
Okay, great. I noticed these on the arms. Now, does this give me a chance to
It does.
adjust?
It does. It allows you to drop one end down, so that's pretty crucial when it's you're in bad weather and you got a lot of rain. It's pretty essential to drop one end down to let the water run off. Okay. Otherwise, you'll end up with a purling effect on the awning skin. And once you capture a little bit of water, you end up capturing a lot of water, and then the next minute the awning's in trouble.
Does it matter which end I bring down?
No.
Should I try and maybe avoid near the doorway?
Correct. Correct. You don't want a massive puddle outside your door. So yeah, either end it doesn't matter. Or you can dip both down at the same time to give it a lot of fall. So you've got 6 positions up there on either end. You just need to make sure that when you do put it away, you haven't got one at the first position and one at the 6th position, because it won't do the awning any good trying to roll it back in with that much change in shape.
So make sure we're at the same hole.
Always try to bring them back to within a couple of holes. They don't have to be on the hole, but try to bring it back to be the same hole before you bring it back in.
Okay, nice and square.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're packed up, we're ready to go. We haven't hooked it up to the car yet.
Correct.
So we can take our awning back inside.
Stops when it gets back in. As soon as it hits the limit switches and it knows that it's time to turn off, it will turn itself off.
Anything that we should be sort of checking on the way in, making sure that it's all aligned?
Yeah, look, I like to see that if you've been in an area where you've been under trees and there's a lot of leafy stuff going on, try to make sure that the awning's clean on the way back through. And when you get leaves and stuff trapped in the awning skin, especially if it's damp, it'll roll them up inside the awning. Okay. And the eucalyptus oils and stuff that comes out of the leaves end up staining the underside of the awning. You end up with all sorts of marks under the awning that you don't know about till it's like too late.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and then they're very, very, very hard to get clean. You can't clean them off.
Perfect, there you go. That's how you operate your electric awning. 3 things to remember: we're not attached to the car.
Correct.
We've got charged batteries on the inside.
Yep. No obstructions.
No obstructions.
Yep.
All right, too easy. More hints and tips available at jayco.com.au.